styling him on me. Okay. Hey, that mash up, girl, you know fi do your thing, you know take back charge. Don't fi do your thing. Hey, that mash up, girl, you know fi do your thing, you know take back charge. Oh, your friend just a try, watch me styling him on me a tick. Me know me get spoiled, oh, your name might think concrete.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to come in, talk to you guys about these pair of shoes that I purchased. I have never done a luxury unboxing, luxury haul here on my channel, but over the past, I want to say a couple months, I have been investing in luxury pieces. I finally bought these shoes, you guys. I've been looking for these shoes for so long. They are called the Louis Vuitton Boom Dia slides. So for today, I will be unboxing it, showing to you guys. I already wore them, but I wanted to show it to y'all because I love these so much. If you guys do not like luxury style videos, click off the channel because I did not ask y'all to click it. That's number one. I see a lot of luxury videos get a lot of negative comments or thumbs down or whatever, but bitch, listen, if I work for my money, baby girl, I'm gonna spend it how I want to. Okay, so I do want to add that I do not buy luxury items full out price. I do have some luxury items that were purchased pre-owned, such as the Gucci Marmot blue bag that I have. We'll talk about that another time, but I do purchase some items pre-owned. If you guys want me to do a video on purchasing pre-owned items and where to purchase them, let me know, comment down below. But for today's video, we will be doing a review on my favorite shoes. Okay, my current favorite shoes. I have been obsessed with these shoes for so long. So another disclaimer, I wanted to tell y'all that I don't wear fake clothes. Not clothes, I'm sorry, I don't wear fake shit. I just want to say I have been tempted multiple times, especially recently, to go out and purchase replica items, but I'm gonna be honest, like, if I know it's fake, I'm really not gonna wear it. But something that I would purchase that is a replica, I would purchase like accessories, like a replica socks. I will purchase that. Fuck their socks. I will purchase replica, like a scarf. That's cat, because I have a scarf that I just bought recently, actually, from the Burberry store, and it's not a replica. If you guys want me to do a in detailed, it just depends on what it is, but it have to be something small. It won't be like a jacket. I did just purchase this jacket. All right, anyway, so I'll tell you guys that in a different video if you guys want to see that. But I don't wear replica items. I just wanted to tell you guys that I just don't want to know. If I know they're fake, if I know it's fake, I'm just gonna be like, I'm not gonna buy it, because I would rather buy, there's a difference between buying a purse that is quilted that look like a Chanel bag compared to a purse that's quilted and has the 2 C's but it's not really Chanel. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's different. But I have been tempted recently, but girl, I ain't gonna do it, because I ain't gonna do it. But anywho's, these are how the shoes came. I bought these shoes in the Louis Vuitton store in Frankfurt, Germany. The closest Louis Vuitton store to me and the closest Gucci store to me is about 2 hours. So every time I go out there, I bring me a VAT form. That is a very important part of this video, a VAT form. Okay, so if you're not in the U.S. Army, then you probably won't know what it is. But for us soldiers, a VAT form is a piece of paper that gives you 20% off of stuff you may buy. You can go to Foot Locker and get some, like, 3 pair of sneakers and use a VAT form. It's because we don't get paid. How do I explain? It's just to help us because we are U.S. citizens living in Germany. Okay, so these shoes, I don't know how much they retail for in the United States. I believe they retail for, let me tell you, I think they retail for $700. These shoes cost $860. Bitch, are you dumb? I could never. I could never. I did not pay $860. I paid about 500 and something euros for these shoes. I would never pay $860 for no damn shoes. Okay, I'll pay something close to that for my Fendi sneakers. If you guys want me to do an unboxing, then just let me know. But these are how the shoes come. They come in 2 separate dust bags. And I hate when people like just be doing extra with their unboxing. Like, bitch, if you don't just open the shoes. But it's how it comes. 2 dust bags. I threw the bag away because I don't like to keep the bags of shoes. These are so gorgeous. Y'all, look at these shoes, y'all. I already wore them. I wore them once. I wore them, actually, I think I wore them yesterday. Because I just wanted to bust them hoes out. So these are what the shoes look like. I am going to insert a footage of it on my feet and how it looks and stuff. But these are the shoes. They are absolutely gorgeous. If you don't think these shoes are gorgeous, then bitch, you blind. Because these shoes are absolutely stunning, y'all. Like, they have a cheaper alternative. I'll insert the picture. I don't know what they're called. But when I tried them on, they were so stiff. Like, they were so stiff. And these are stiff as well. If you guys can see. They don't, like, these are stiff. But the other ones were very stiff. Okay, so it comes with, these are the same style as Birkenstocks. I did just get me a few Birkenstocks about a month ago at an outlet here in Germany. They were very cheap. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, Germany is really the plug if you station out here. But anywho, so they are Birkenstock styled. They come with the it comes with buckles, you know, so you can adjust depending on how fat your foot is, how slim your foot is. These are what they look like. They're absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I love these shoes. They do make a weird sound when I walk. It's probably because they're not tight enough. I'm not sure. I haven't tried to tighten them, but they do make like a suction sound when I walk. That's the only con I could have about these shoes so far. But I have not broke them in yet, so that's probably why. But let me show you guys what these look like in comparison to some Birkenstocks. Watch my shoes about to fall. In comparison to some Birkenstocks. Okay, so these are Birkenstocks. And let me show you guys. They are literally Birkenstock, like twins. Like shape, buckles, literally the same exact shoe. I wanted these shoes for so long, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to the Louis store, see if they have them. And I'll be honest, I didn't think they had them, but they had them. And I am a size 39 in women. In Europe, I'm a size 39. In Italian, I'm a size 38.5. Like, you gotta know your size because, child. But these are the shoes. I absolutely love them. And if you get your toes white, if you get white toes, bitch, official summer thing, yo. Yo, me there, yo. And they literally fit so, oh my god. You guys, like, I love these shoes. Like, when I say I wanted them for so long. Another Louis Vuitton item that I want is I want the Louis Vuitton bum bag. I'm gonna insert a picture. Or I want the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire. I want that bitch so bad. And it's like, it's so easy to buy a fake one, but bitch, I'm not doing that shit. Left foot. But I'm yeah, you guys, so that's it for my shoe unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like on foot, and I absolutely love them so much. If you guys want me to do more luxury type videos, let me know, because I also have 2 pair of sneakers. I have 3 pair of sneakers that I want to introduce, that I want to show you guys and do try on and all that. But it's only if you guys are okay with it, because I don't want to make nobody feel uncomfortable. You know how people be these days. They be big mad, like big man. That's it. I'm going to wear these today because I just love them. Like, oh my god, I love these shoes so much. They are so gorgeous. But yeah, you guys comment down below. Let me know if you like these shoes and what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next video.